Hello and welcome to this brief overview of the mobile version of the WHS Management System. The system is designed to help members maintain a safe and healthy workplace and manage day-to-day WHS related activities. Both the desktop and mobile versions of the system are accessible via web browser. In this tutorial we're looking at the mobile device version. After login via the My Account menu at top left of screen, members are directed to their workplace homepage or to a list of their workplaces if they have access to more than one, as in this example. To navigate between workplaces, select either the Workplaces link in the Greetings tab or open the My Account menu and select the My Workplaces button. The My Account area also provides access to change limited account profile details, such as the account email address, which doubles as the username when logging in, the password, and the multi-factor authentication preferences. To change other account details, please contact your WHS system administrator. To view a workplace from the My Workplaces list, select the workplace name. When viewing a workplace, the name displays here in the Greetings tab. On mobile devices, the Workplace Module menu is accessible via the menu icon at top right of screen. The modules visible in the module menu vary according to membership options, workplace type, and individual user access settings. The Workplace homepage icon, which appears permanently at the top of the module menu, returns to the Workplace homepage from everywhere in the workplace. The Workplace homepage contains quick links to various resources, including a view of current tasks, a calendar view of alerts and reminders, and links to the Other WHS Resources area, which contains a series of WHS related materials, including many that feature in the induction tutorial emails that are sent to new workplace administrators. Workplace administrators have access to around 20 system modules, including 4 related to contractor management and 2 related to COVID-19 management. Different modules have different purposes, which is explained in the module help notes and the module specific video tutorials, which we strongly recommend you review before use. While the individual controls vary from module to module, they're laid out consistently. All modules offer search and filtering options that can be expanded or contracted to quickly view or export existing records. List views can also be toggled between summary and full views on mobile devices. Some modules contain dashboards and some modules have archives. Selecting the action icons displays all the available management actions on a record-by-record basis. In the mobile version of the system, the plus icon replaces the Add a New Record button that displays in the desktop version of the system. When adding or editing records in the system, please refer to the extensive on-screen help notes that display in key areas of the online forms and that pop open when the green question mark on key fields is selected. The mobile version of the system features controls that have been adapted specifically for mobile device use, but they are functionally identical in purpose to the desktop version of the system. And just like the desktop version, all new records and changes to existing records must be saved at the bottom of the form to be kept. For more information, please refer to the on-screen system help notes and tooltips and the module-specific video tutorials, which display either the desktop or mobile version of the tutorial based on the device you are viewing the system with. And that concludes this brief system overview of the mobile version of the WHS Management System. Thanks for watching.